In this video, I'll show you how to buy Dogecoin on Robinhood, step by step. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. In order to buy Dogecoin on Robinhood, first open the Robinhood app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, make sure you have funds available in your account. You can check this by looking at your buying power, which shows how much money you can use to purchase assets. Next, go to the bottom menu and tap on the crypto icon to open the cryptocurrency section. Here, you will see a list of different cryptocurrencies available for trading. Scroll through the list and find Dogecoin. Then tap on it to open the Dogecoin details page. On this page, you will see the current price, chart, and other information about the coin. After that, tap on the buy button located on the screen. This will open the purchase page, where you can enter the amount you want to invest. Now type the amount of money you want to spend on Dogecoin. For example, you can enter a small amount like a few dollars if you want to buy a fractional amount of the coin. Next, tap Review to check the order details. This page will show you how much Dogecoin you will receive for the amount you entered. Finally, if everything looks correct, swipe up to submit the order. Once the order is completed, the Dogecoin will appear in your crypto holdings and you will be able to track it directly from your Robinhood portfolio. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.